All right, hey guys, I'm going to read to you today the ULS story for the week. It's called Down on Budget Farm. That's the title of our story. It's written by Amy Sheree, illustrated by Katie Zolnowski. We know that authors write the words and illustrators draw the pictures. Down on Budget Farm. The animals work hard on Budget Farm all week. They help Farmer Dave on the farm. He pays them every week for their work. So one of the characters in our story is this guy. His name is Farmer Dave, and he pays, that's one of our words this week, he pays the animals every week for their work. Each animal has a budget. The budget helps them use their money. The budget shows the money they earn, spend, and save. So you can see their budget card. Earn, spend, save. And each animal has one. Today is their favorite day. It's payday! So they're so excited. Farmer Dave gives Percy Pig his paycheck. Percy Pig wants to buy a big bucket of mud. He looks at his budget. He does not have enough money this week. He wants to save money. He says, I will put my money in my piggy bank. Farmer Dave gives Carrie Cow her paycheck. Carrie Cow wants to buy new bows for her hair. She looks at her budget. She has enough money this week. She wants to spend her money. Carrie Cow says, I will spend my moolah on bows. That's funny. Farmer Dave gives Henry Horse his paycheck. Henry Horse wants to buy a new saddle. He looks at his budget. He does not have enough money this week. He wants to earn more money. Henry Horse says, I will give rides to our neighbors. Farmer Dave gives Shayna Sheep her paycheck. Shayna Sheep wants to donate her money. So donate means give her money away to someone else. She looks at her budget. She has enough money this week. She wants to give money to help others. Shayna Sheep says, I will give my money back to the farm. She wants to donate her money, give her money back to Farmer Dave and the farm. The animals like to work on the farm. They like to earn money. They have budgets to help them use their money. They can't wait for their next payday. The